So this is my website. I can promote my website will be multiple sites will be free. That is called local SEO, nothing but classifies. Now here, first of all, take the website is called freeadsbook.com. First click for post an ad. Here, not required for login. Is a free. Now post your an ad. First, select your category. This one, services. First, you can select your keyword. That is called Hyderabad. After that, write on your description. Paste it. After that, location will be India. Place will be, you can add by multiple places. Now here, just you can go yes. So we can select by the places. Copy, paste here. Then, so you can select up to here. Now, how many emails? 4. For your interest. First, you write down your name, interior. You can add your email. You can add your phone number. After captcha code, click for post my ad for free. Here, you have doubt. So without login, I can add my free ad. So how to check my ad? That's completely based on your category. What is my category? Services. Now scroll down here, click for post my ad for free. Then now click for ad will be successfully added. Just okay. Click for home. What is my category name? Services. Just come to here. Here option call is services my category. Just check here. If you not find out this one. So no. Click for services. See my interior designers and decorators in Hyderabad. This is my date for posting my ad for free without login. Now second website is called postfreeadshare.com. Now post a free ad now. Select your title. What the category is that? Select by the category services. Here I am selecting for interior designers and architect title. Based on your content along with address, URL, etc. After that, location will be India, target places. Here, enter Hyderabad. Name, FT, interior, email ID is there. Phone number, you can add by here. Capture code 51. Click for post it free now. Done. Now click for OK. How to check? Just go to your home page. The option call is services. In this will be interior designers and architects. Now, here is done. This is called add your free on next on your website keywords. Now we can go with the same websites here. freeadcity.com, classifiedcity.com. Here adcity.com here. Here you can go with this option. So here so adcity.com. Simple one here. Post a free ad now. First category will be called your select your category, the services or anything. The services were that Interior designs and architect. Select your keyword, and after that select your description. Location will be India. Select your places. After that name, add your email, add your phone number. Click for here 56. Post it for free now. The free site, they can't accept the images. Now click, they only for KB images. So I don't have any KB images. So here MAD is approved. So here one doubt, why they give the free classifieds? The benefit is through Google Ads. So the reason is they give the free ads. How to check? Just go to home page. You will be active or not. Check your category and go to subcategory. Check this our ad. Is it clear? This is called free websites promoted by the free local SEO website. That is called, if anyone asking for how to promote website for free, that is called local SEO, nothing but classy files.